Here we go. When starting college, the workload often seems overwhelming. There are many chapters to be read, papers to be written, math problems to solve. I've been taking classes at Liberty University online for 3 years now, while working full-time. Based on my research and personal experience, I would like to provide you with some time management techniques that will assist you in your education. There are several good time management techniques to assist the college student in achieving academic success. During the minutes that follow, I will provide you with a few of these techniques. We will go over areas such as planning, goal setting, and prioritizing. Planning is an essential method to learn in regards to time management. According to Corinne Leash, in Managing Time, Learning Made Simple, a plan is a blueprint for being in control. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 21 that the plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty. The first thing to do when planning is to take an inventory of your time. Using a scheduling template, enter in your courses or classes, your work schedule, and routine activities such as going to church. AcademicTips.org offers a few guidelines to assist you when making your plan or planning your schedule. The first one is that it is generally recommended that for every 1 hour you spend in class, you will need to spend 2 hours out of class studying. The second point that needs to be made or for you to remember your personality. Each one of us is different. Some of us are more alert, more concentrated, better focused in the mornings, therefore more productive. Some of us are better in the afternoons or the evenings. Determine your best time and then plug your most difficult task into that time frame. But remember, it is important not to overschedule yourself. Be sure to leave time for such activities as recreation, sleep, and of course, chores. In the book, Fostering Independent Learning, Practical Strategies to Promote Student Success, the author points out that you will have defined goals and priorities in order to maintain that schedule. To do that, you'll need to determine your long and short-term goals. You can determine long-term goals by asking yourself such questions as, what classes do I need to take in order to reach that ultimate goal, graduation? Or, what's due in this class this semester? Short-term goals can be determined by asking yourself, what assignments are due this week in class? What needs to be done today? What needs to be done tomorrow? It's often helpful when defining your priorities and goals is to break other larger assignments down into small tasks. A research project, for example, can be broken down into several smaller tasks such as selecting your topic, doing your research, developing your outline, and writing your papers. Now that goals have been established, it's time to prioritize. The Bible tells us in Ephesians 5, be very careful then how you live, not as unwise but as wise, making the most of every opportunity. I have learned 2 exercises to help you learn to prioritize. The first is offered by the Fostering Independent Learning authors is the T exercise. In this exercise, you will use a blank sheet of paper, draw a large T. On the left side of the T, you will have a column labeled Most Important Goals. On the right side of the T, you will have a column labeled To-Do Activities. After inserting your goals and activities, review both sides. Any to-do activity that is not directly related to a most important goal should be crossed off. The The second exercise comes from academictips.org. It recommends the ABC list. In this exercise, you will list things in 3 columns, A, B, and C. In the A column, you will list things that need to be done today. In the B column, you will list things that need to be done within the week. And in the C column, you will list things that need to be done within the month. As I have discussed, time management skills are important for college students to develop. There are several good time management methods to assist the college student in achieving academic success. Methods to help you plan, set goals, and prioritize. If these methods are employed, you will find that you, in fact, have control over your time. In the days that follow, if you feel yourself overwhelmed by the chapters that need to be read or the papers that need to be written, just remember 2 things. First, Corinne Leach's words, that a plan is the blueprint for being in control. And second, that verse from Ephesians, be very careful then on how you live, not as unwise, but as wise, making the most of every opportunity. Thank you.